everyone, I'm Melanie. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Mortgage Minute. I'm an underwriter and I have been for a couple of decades. Yep, I said it. I've spent my adult life ruining people's lives. So here I am today trying to make it up to everyone by giving you insight into the mortgage process. Today I want to talk about medical collections. This is a really big deal to me. Medical bills are the most common collection item on people's credit report. They show up on up to 43 million people's credit report. Let me say that again. Medical collections show up on up to 43 million people's credit reports. 1 in 5 households report having unpaid medical bills. And when have you ever known what your medical bill was going to be before you got it? You can have the same procedure at the same location and pay thousands of dollars different. You don't know why. Medical bills are a mystery. Procedures and care prices, they vary by institutions, by the type of the place you're going to. For instance, if you're going to your doctor's office or your urgent care or your walk-in clinic, the emergency room is 2 or 3 times as much. Ambulance bills have increased 22% between 2017 and 2020. 22%, with the average being $1,277. The point is, medical bills and collections are part of life. They're not going away anytime soon, unfortunately. Earlier this year, finally, a rule was put in place that medical collections under $500 cannot be reported to the credit reporting agencies. If it is over $500, it cannot be added to the credit report until it has been left unpaid for 12 months, giving you 12 months to pay that medical bill. A medical collection that has been paid will be removed from your credit report, which means you will no longer have a paid collection showing on that credit report. Per the CFPB, which is the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, a collection agency cannot add your medical bill to your credit report until they have reached out to you first to try and collect the debt. If you know me, you know I don't think the policy went far enough. Research indicates that medical bills on credit reports are less predictive of future repayment of credit than traditional credit obligations. That means medical collections don't tell me, the underwriter or the lender or whoever you're buying the car from, that you won't pay your bills. Medical bills placed on credit reports can result in reduced access to credit, higher interest rates, increased risk of bankruptcy. Here's a big one: avoidance of medical care, difficulty securing employment, and that's even if the bill is inaccurate or a mistake. There shouldn't be medical debt. So why should it be on your credit report, lowering your scores? However, that's neither here nor there. Or let's get back to how medical collections are handled by the various mortgage agencies. So your credit report will show whether your collection is medical or not. That way, you and your lender can determine which can and should be disregarded when evaluating your credit and calculating the debt ratio. FHA and USDA, which is also called rural housing, do not require medical collections to be included in your debt ratios. They do not need to be paid off, and essentially they're disregarded no matter the amount. Fannie Mae also omits medical collections and does not require them to be paid on a 1-unit primary residence. Now with FHA, it can be a 1, 2, 3, or 4-unit property. Fannie Mae, it's a 1-unit primary residence. You are not required to pay off any outstanding medical collections or charge-offs, no matter the amount. Freddie Mac also omits medical collections and does not require they be paid off on a 1-unit primary residence. They clarify further that for a 2 to 4 family primary residence or a second home, collections and charge-offs of medical debt more than $5,000 must be paid. VA does not have a specific guidance. However, they do not require any collections to be paid off as a hard and fast rule. They do require that the total credit history be considered. These guidelines are from the 5 major players in the mortgage industry. There are also various bond programs, and they typically follow the first mortgage requirements. Okay, That is all I have on the medical collections. I'm sure, as you can see, it's an important topic for me. Please let me know what you think about the changes in the policies in the comments below. Also, if there's a topic you would like me to discuss, please let me know that also. If you found my video helpful or informative, please press the like button so that it can be viewed by other people. I hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for visiting me today. Bye-bye.